Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you a few ways to make some text bold in Google Docs. So the first way is by just using the bold menu that is available on the toolbar. The first thing you need to do is you go to the text that you want to make it bold, select that text, and after that, you can click on this menu that says bold, and there you go. And another quickest way to get the content or get the text to be bolder is by using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl B or Command B on Mac, and it will instantly turn the text into bold. And another interesting method that you can try is by using the markdown formatting. But before you can do that, you have to enable the automatic markdown detection. Just go to the tools menu, go to preferences, and under general, you want to enable this option that says automatically detect markdown and click OK. The markdown for bold text is double asterisk at the very start and then also at the very end. Let me give you an example. So the format is going to be asterisk, and then this is some text and followed by double asterisk, and that text will be converted into bold. So that's how you can use the markdown formatting if you want to. But I do want to let you know that some fonts are better be regular. You don't want to turn that font into bold. So just give me, I'm going to give you an example. I'm going to select this font and I'm going to change it to something like maybe Impact, which is quite a popular font. This is already a bold font, and if you make it bolder, then it's not going to look right. It's kind of difficult to read. So just keep in mind that some texts are just better to be regular. You don't want to make some fonts to be bold. So just bear that in mind. So anyway, that's how you can turn some text in Google Docs into bold.